Versatile Bollywood Muslim actor Naseeruddin Shah is once again under fire in his new interview, as he has said that what they are calling for is a full-scale civil war. 200 millions of us Muslims are not going to be wiped out so easily. 200 millions of us are going to fight back. I am certain if any such movement begins, it will be met with massive resistance. Viewers, in this video, I will share with you whatever Naseeruddin Shah has said in his new interview. I am Wasim Raza from Italy and you are watching Globbal TV. Naseeruddin Shah is coming under fire for making comments on civil war in India and labeling Mughal emperors refugees. The actor made these comments in an interview with the Wire's Karan Thapar. The interview comes days after calls for genocide and the ethnic cleansing of Muslims were made at a Dharma Sansad event in Haridwar in India's Uttarakhand. The shocked Naseeruddin Shah wondered if these people knew what they were talking about. He said that there has been a concerted attempt to make Muslims feel insecure, and this agenda starts from the top. His labeling of Mughals emperor refugees didn't sit well with the Indian right-wing either. The Mughals came here to make this their homeland, he said. You can call them well-off refugees. The Mughals are being blamed unnecessarily. He gave the example of a minister in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's cabinet whose son ran over protesting farmers in Uttar Pradesh, crushing them under his car. The minister was not sacked. He was not even chastised. At least you can't accuse him of being a hypocrite in that sense that he expresses remorse for something he does not feel any remorse about. Naseeruddin Shah said that the PM Modi doesn't care about what's happening with Muslims in India. To him, it was amazing that the so-called atrocities of the Mughals are being highlighted all the time by those who forget how the Mughals contributed Indian culture. The Mughals are people who left lasting monuments, history and tradition, culture, dance, music, painting, poetry and literature. When asked how it feels to be a Muslim living in Modi's India, Shah said that he feels very angry and very resentful. I don't feel insecure because I know this is my home and nobody can drag me out of it, he added. Viewers, it is not first time that Naseeruddin Shah has raised voice against racism, which is at its high level in Modi's India. Every time he showed solidarity with the Indian Muslims, he was criticized and he was threatened. However, it is on the record that Naseeruddin Shah has never had any fear about such threats from the extremist Hindus. Even in this interview, he has clearly declared that he has passed his life. He is at the end of his life, but he cares about the next Muslim generation living in India. In Modi's India, not only Naseeruddin Shah, but Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Dr. Zakir Naik like people have been victimized by the RSS Hindu extremist ideology. Modi has made India the center of racism and extremism. Today, not only Muslims, but Sikhs and Christians also feel insecure in the India of these days. It is too early to say what is going to be happening with Naseeruddin Shah, but one thing is clear that he is proved to be a real hero standing against the racism and injustice of Modi and BJP. Next, take care. Bye-bye.